Thank you, Josh. Sorry about that, guys. I was over here talking away. Um, so again, we got one auto. Guess the last auto for 20 credit, 8 cards per pack. What was it, 18 or 16 packs per box? 18 packs per box. Good luck to everybody in this one. We are full on all the other breaks. Up next will be our certified football first off the line random team. That'll be a fun one, guys. That's our first random team of certified football we've done. Good luck to everybody trying to get San Francisco and those Brock Purdy's. There's Antonio Gibson, Denzel Mims. There's a Kyle Pitts NFL debut going to Atlanta. Kyle Pitts blue chips for Atlanta. Nick Chubb, DeAndre Hopkins, Jake Plummer, and a Gerard Dokes. Should be all good now. Let me know if you guys still can't hear me at this point. I was muted. I unmuted, so now I think we should be all good. Cam Akers for the Rams. Taysom Hill. Chris Long. Montage Deshaun Watson for Houston. Trent Dilfer. Aaron Rodgers. Christian McCaffrey. Dwayne Eskridge rookie. It's going to Seattle. I'll do my best to save this auto to the end. So get your guesses in, guys, just in case I reveal it too soon. There's Alvin Kamara. Justin Herbert. There's a Jeff Okudah mosaic here going to the silver mosaic going to Detroit. And we got our first no huddle parallel coming up. That is going to be Adam Thielen going to Minnesota. We have Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Odell Beckham Jr., J.J. Watt, and our Gary Brightwell rookie for the Giants. On to our next pack. We have Derek Carr. There's a Mac Jones. We got something on there. Mac Jones rookie, Aaron Rodgers, and then we got a purple Joe Shorbert out of 50. This is going to Jacksonville, 11 out of 50. Looks really cool with the aqua Jacksonville green. That one is out of 50. Got Melvin Gordon, Dwight Freeney, Joe Mixon, Dax Maline, and a kid reporter card. The Mac Jones, leaving the top loaded here. We also have a Classics 8 shoe break at the end of the night here. That'll be break number 4. That's our first one of those. New product, that's the 22 class. Ron Jaworski. Aaron Donald. Peyton Manning. And there's Jeremiah on the no huddle. Kyler Murray. Drew Lock. Marlon Humphrey. And Christian Barmore. Let's go to Cleveland here on the no huddle parallel. Our next pack. Again, guys, if you haven't already, get your guesses in for the auto in this break. I'll do my best to save it to the end. Brandon Ayuk, Thomas Davis Jr., Derek Carr, Ezekiel Elliott on the silver. That's going to Dallas. Aaron Jones, Jeremy Chin, DeForest Buckner, Elijah Moore rookie, kid reporter card. Reggie Bush, Tua Tagovailoa, Rashad Bateman rookie. We got the silver Dwayne Eskridge rookie for Seattle. Warthog just put a link in the chat for 10% off our 12 left in our Mosaic. Deion Jones, Hobby, TJ Hawkinson, Ed Oliver, Sam Ellinger rookie, kid reporter card. Josh Allen for the Jags. Jalen Hurts. Oh, there's our auto. I'll probably flash it there. Save it to the end in case. There's the Stairmasters no huddle parallel. David Johnson, Roquan Smith, Travis Kelce, Josh Palmer rookie for Chargers. There's Michael Thomas. There's Joe Sherbert again. Devontae Adams, Joe Burrow on the no huddle. Billy Sims, DJ Moore, Carson Wentz, and a Trey Lance rookie. Next pack, guys. We have Brian Dawkins, Von Miller, Mosaic Javonte Williams, rookie for Denver. Silver Terrell Davis for Denver. Nice pack here for Denver. Chad Johnson, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Emmitt Smith, Evan McPherson, rookie for the Bengals. Kid reporter card. Mike's going to guess Eckler on the last auto. And our next pack. See if we can get some low numbered color in here. That'd be nice. Matthew Stafford, Tom Brady, Jerry Rice. There's a blue. Pete Warner. That's going to the Saints. That is out of 75. 60 out of 75. On the blue no huddle parallel. Peyton Manning, T. Higgins, Daniel Sorensen, Nico Collins rookie, and a kid reporter card. Jimmy Garoppolo, Randy Moss, Charles Tillman, Robert Tonyan on the no huddle parallel, Jalen Smith, Patrick Queen, Donald Driver, Noah Gray rookie. Our next break again is the certified 2002 certified first off the line random team break. That will be the next break coming up. Good luck to everybody in that one. Leonard Fournette, Jamison Crowder. So we got another purple coming up. Caleb Farley. And it's going to be Racey McMath. Another rookie color here, but not the rookies we're looking for. 34 out of 50. That is going to go to Tennessee. We should have a variation too, a rookie variation on one of these no huddle parallels. So we'll be looking out for that. Robbie Anderson, Quentin Nelson, Baker Mayfield, Caleb Farley, and Kid Reporter card. Rob Gronkowski, Tom Brady. He's got some different like things or something in that. Peyton Manning, Derrick Henry, Mark Andrews, Devontae Adams, Derek Brown, Tutu Atwell, and a Kid Reporter card. Terry McLaurin, James Robinson, Travis Etienne, and a blue Joe Mixon going to Cincinnati. That is going to be out of 75, 59 out of 75 for the Bengals. Michael Pittman Jr., Young Ho Koo, Barry Sanders, Amir Smith-Marset, Kid Reporter card. We have LaMichael Pirine, Derwin James, Antonio Gibson. We got some spots on that one there by his knee. Chris Godwin, no huddle. Tremaine Edmonds, Andre Johnson, Joe Burrow, and a Ben Skoranek rookie. Where are the big rookies at here, guys? We've only got a few base. Mac Jones, Trey Lance, we need more. TJ Watt, Drew Brees. There's a Jamar Chase. That should be our variation, I believe. It is. Nice one for the Bengals. Jamar Chase on the variation. Going to Cincinnati. Congrats to the Bengals on that one. One of the best young receivers in the league for sure. Nice clean variation there. Matthew Stafford on the Stairmasters. Tyreek Hill, Deion Sanders, Ray Lewis, and Dio, the rookie. Kid Reporter card. Last pack, guys, before we reveal that auto. Not the best box so far, no huddle, but that Chase is nice. There's Dante Culpepper, Tom Brady, Kurt Warner, Diami Brown, rookie for Washington, Jamie Collins, Luke Kuechly, Amari Cooper, and a Javonte Williams rookie. All right, guys, good luck to everybody who guessed that auto. We're going to reveal it next and then do a recap and then move on to our random team certified 2022 first off the line. There's the Jalen Hurts covering up the auto. Oops. The Jalen Hurts there. And our auto. For the Rams, we have Terrell Lewis. Terrell Lewis. Do you have anybody guess Terrell Lewis in the chat? Our auto for the Rams. Put my thumb on it. No huddle autograph right there for the Rams. Here we go on a recap. Let's hope our next break is better than that one there. There's Diami Brown on the no huddle. Chris Godwin, no huddle. Jamar Chase, rookie variation, no huddle. Joe Mixon blue, nice 2 cards there for Cincinnati, out of 75. Racy McMath on the purple. That's going to be out of 50, rookie for the Tennessee Titans. Tunyon on the no huddle. Pete Werner on the blue no huddle. That's out of 75 for the Saints. Javonte Williams, Mosaic. Silver, Terrell Davis. Joe Burrow, no huddle. Trey Lance, rookie. Stairmasters, no huddle. Matthew Stafford. Dwayne Eskridge, rookie, silver. Oops. Ezekiel Elliott, silver. Jeremiah on the no huddle. Mac Jones, base. Joe Sherbert on the purple, out of 50, no huddle. Adam Thielen on the no huddle. Jeff Okudah on the Mosaic. And the no huddle autographs, Terrell Lewis for the Super Bowl champ Rams. All right, guys, that does it for break number 2. Up next is our certified first off the line